I'm starting with a chippy telephone table. I'm using the amazing vintage gold icing paste. Just look at the shimmer. I'm using the all-seeing eye-cat pattern stencil and concentrating on the eye. So I'm taping it down as best I can. When the areas are large, it's more important. Spray adhesive would probably have been a better move on this piece. I've got here a silicone brush. As you can see, I've used mine quite a lot. Scoop some out of the pot and apply to your stencil. I'm going to try and make mine as even as possible and smooth, but you can add as much or as little texture as you like. Keep going for all those eyelashes. We're nearly there. And reveal. I'm going to clean up that little bit of bleeding with a cotton bud. But look how amazing it looks. And you can see the raised detail. Icing paste dries really hard,